Okay, so here in this video, I want to show you guys the roles and privileges of this e-learning system. So I'll quickly go to the application. So now this, okay, it has logged me out. Let me sign in.
Redirecting you to the sign-in page.
Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. I want to show you guys how the e-learning roles and privileges work. So the first thing we consider when building this system is the users because we have different type of users, but every users have just one. You can see that we have three users here, which can have thousands of users in this system, 10,000, 1,000,000, 3,000,000, 10,000,000 users in this system. So this is a pagination. The page, you need to make sure that the page is efficient. So here the system is currently on the testing stage, and we can see here we can add new user, we can delete all user, we can edit a user, we can delete a particular user here. Right. Then the next module we consider here is building. We can also search for user here. You can search for any user here, right? Okay. So the next module we consider here is building roles. So this is the role. So in this system, we can have multiple roles here, but here we can see that we only save the administrator, instructor. We can also have multiple roles like secretaries, sub-secretaries, marketing, uh, and many of them I can think of, right? So here, but I just have the administrator and the instructor. So the same functionalities here apply to this role module, which we can add. We can delete all module. We can edit and we can add also delete a particular role. Then the next one we'll consider here is the role access. The role access. So for this role access here, so every role is given a particular access. You can see these are the registered module for the system, right? So the more we build more modules, the more modules will be added automatically. But you can see what happens, right? So we have given some functionalities, some privileges to the admin, and also some privileges to the instructor, for where the instructor can only have access to the instructor courses, dashboard, the group students, the managed groups, the video stream, and the managed assessment. Right? So this is the role access. So if we go back again, if we go back again, then the next one we'll look at here, the next one we look at here is the role users, where every user is assigned to a particular role. So where's it? Role assignment, okay. You can see that the first user here is an administrator, the second user is an instructor, the third user is also an instructor. Right? Then the last one is your privileges, the user privileges. So you can see the privileges here. So you can see, let's assume this is Jasmine Fighter, is an instructor. You can see the privileges given to Jasmine Fighter. So Jasmine Fighter, despite that these modules here are under this instructor, under this role called instructor, the Jasmine Fighter only have access to this group, student group, managed group, video stream, and this. But Watchman Lookman, which is also instructor, have privileges to instructor courses, dashboards, groups, students, and this. So let's add all the privileges to Judgment Fighter. So I'll add these. Privilege added, privilege added, privilege added, privilege added, privilege added, privilege added, privilege added. So that is just the concept we use for this e-learning system for the user's privilege. So I hope you enjoy that. So if you want to learn the coding, feel free to contact me. I'm going to teach you especially how to do this user privilege. Thank you and God bless you.